Looking at the equation for frequency, we can see that f, or frequency, is equal to 1 over t, or period. Let's look at exactly why that is. So period, in this case represented by the symbol t, is the amount of time that it takes to pass from one wave peak to the next wave peak. That may be in seconds, minutes, anything like that. Whereas frequency, on the other hand, is how many waves pass in a second. So in one of them, we're looking and we're saying, okay, how many seconds does that take? And the other one, we're going, how many went by in a second? So they really are the inverse of each other, which is why we have this equation right here. Let's practice one of these equations. So looking at the example, if a wave has a period t of 10 seconds, what is the frequency? Start off by drawing our equation. F is equal to 1 over t. And then we go and plug in our values. 1 over, and the period is 10 seconds. Now, 1 over s is equal to a new unit that you need to become familiar with called hertz. That is Hz. So if we carry this down, we have our equation. Frequency is equal to 1/10 hertz. However, remember, when you're plugging it in this case, don't leave any spaces. One more piece of advice that I have for you is if you can't remember what the symbol is, go back to the table from earlier in this lesson.